Well, greetings. Good afternoon. John Kielec here. Today is Thursday, and you can see March 12th, 3:07 p.m. And I am just playing my game. Well, playing the Bitcoin game. What I'm doing is the high leverage Bitcoin trading using the liquidation protection entry system. So you're going to see this is live, all right? I just missed some. This is my playing field. We're got a trend down. Okay, lots of liquidation is happening right now. Okay, the trend is down. I'm just going to do this because, it's like I'm going to show you what I do, what my work is involved. Anyways, this is 1 hour. How's this look on 6 hour? Okay, we have strong trend down. Bitcoin is way down here. Yeah, there was a massive dump, and we're just smoking. We're smoking this baby. I love it. Okay, the Bitcoin. I'm getting very heavy in Bitcoin. Okay, the price is way down here, and this is all good. So basically what I'm waiting in here, okay, is this one. There's 1 point. I got to make some charts. Okay, we're going to make this red. And this is the lower support trend line. This is a strong trend. Ooh, come on. You got to go up there. Then we're going to short this field to go, and I'm going to show you these trends. There we go. Okay, there we go. We're going to get ready, and all right, I am getting ready. I'm still, for the month of March, trading very little. I take some money out and as I make money. So we have 0.006. So we're going to divide that in 4. 0.006 divided by 4, so that's 0.015. Right, so we're gonna do this 0.015. Leverage 75. Leverage 75x. This is high leverage Bitcoin trading. Okay, I've tested at 100x, but 75x actually gives you the same speed as leverage of 100, but this gives you more wider what do you call for the cut loss. The cut loss is wider between your entry price and exit price, so it's actually working better and getting the same thing, and a little bit less broker fees. So basically, let's go in here, look at this candle, all right, and as you can see, this is wow. All right, so you can see the trend. It broke up here, it went down. Now it's going nicely up, but this is where people get liquidated. This is where people get liquidated. Look at this. All right, so we are ready to enter this market. I am very much ready to enter this market. Just waiting for a red candle, and we're gonna go for prices down. Like I say, current time, 3:11 p.m. Still going up. This is I call playing field, right? That way I can see how many times it went down. I can see. And ladies and gentlemen, this is trading. This is high leverage trading. This is not for beginner. This, trade. This years of experience, years of trading, years of getting to know the charts, have a feel of the market. If you don't know these things, you got to practice at least half a year to become good at what I'm doing, because in minutes, your account can be wiped out. In minutes, all right? So trade, low leverage, standard leverage, but getting into high leverage, 75x, that is very risky. But in here, you can make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in a couple hours, all right? I've made, while I'm just testing with little accounts, $200, $300. All right, here we go. There's 1, 2, 3. We have 3 smaller candles. looks like what's going to be happening here. It could still go up, but we are just waiting for the proper moment. How is the 1 hour looking here? Oh, 1 hour is getting wider. All right. Look, all these people getting liquidated. Wow. All right. So that means the prices, it's looking to go down. All right. So we have, this is less power, couple big ones. And market, we have 0.15. Leverage 75, and we're ready to place it down. Okay, it's beginning to drop. Let's buy it. Confirm. There we go. All right. So there we go. And this is our profit. Look at this. Look at this. Right on time before the prices start to drop. And I'm just going to make a little, I made copy of these trades. So I'm going to paste it in here. Then let's go back there. All right, so it's going to go up and down. But anyways, right away what I would do in this situation, because right now the prices is going against us, but I believe it's going to go down anyways. It's always, you know, it's going to go up and down, but my goal is to hit this lower support trend line. The resistance is up here. That's another resistance. And major, and this is also the bottom support. Bottom support right here, and up here we have support, the lower support trend line. Okay, so we're just going to play this thing, but in case the prices go against me, I got to protect myself. And this is the heart of this system. The heart of this system. Okay, see this cutoff line? Cut a loss, 60.97.88. So I'm going for prices down. I got to go 10 points less. So I go limit. We're going to still use that 0015, and this is 60.97. So we got to put this 60.87, and we got to put the cents in there. You got to put the cents in there. All right, and we're going to cut that 75 high leverage into one to protection, because we don't want to go 75 again. Basically, the 75 will get to cut down both 45 high leverage 45x. All right, so 1x, 60.97, 60.87, 88, and buy down. There we go. I confirm it, and as soon as you confirm, see, this is the second one in here. This is 60.87. So now, if the prices, if the price of the Bitcoin, I'm calling for the prices to go down, it reaches this 60.87.88. Well, guess what's going to happen? We're not going to lose this trade. We're going to go into the protection. This is the heart of the system. The price that I entered right here, it's actually going to go lower, and we're going to get a wider exit point. So our protection, we are protected. And in case if it go way against us again, I would do this again. And you have, you know, using 25% of the account of the wallet. This is the wallet management. You got to have that in place. 25%. You never use 100%, never use 50, never use 75. You only use, if you have $10,000, you would only use 25% to trade in here. And we're going to be trading with one Bitcoin sometimes in April. Like right now, I'm still screwing around with this, even though, you know, there's like a few $100 a day that I pulled from this. All right, so, but this is on low scale. So you can see the prices keep jumping up and down. And Okay, I'm just gonna. Yeah, so it's kind of in like an inward trend, but overall the trend is down, and I think should go down. Otherwise, I wouldn't go. And we have 1 hour in here. I use 1 hour and 6 hour. 6 hour. Okay, wow. 6 hour. It's still, this is a big trend. Big trend. Now it's getting a little bit smaller, but still, we have downside. And over here on 1 hour, this is using standard candles, regular chart. It slowly the prices to go up. In here, okay, we're using Heiken Ashi in 1 minute. That's why 1 minute, 1 minute. A lot of things can change. And you can see this is a good example in here because the market is going against us. And right now we're minus 18, minus 17, minus 18. But, I don't worry about it because where is our protection? Okay, 60.87, 60.87. We got it way up here above this trend, downwards trend line in order for our LPE, liquidation protection entry system, to kick in. I don't think it's going to get there, all right? I don't think so. It might break this, might get pretty close, and it's going to go right back down to, hopefully, it's going to hit our lower support area. All right? So, might not happen, but this is my prediction. I'm going into the future, just looking at this trend and looking what's happening in these candles, in this Heiken sheet. Okay? So, as this, we have protection in place. Okay, we have everything. Right now, we're, not in minus. Look at this, minus 22. I've been almost in 82 minus, and I came out with 30% profit. All right, thanks to that LPE. All right, so we're going to just let this, keep an eye on it. But, I also, let's go to the second browser. Oh, whoa, Canadian dollar. Look at this. We have an opportunity. It's been trending up. We made several $100 in here already, and it's way up there. I'm going to place a trade to sell this market. This is real. All this is real. So I am going to use 70,000 and 50 pips, that's like 500 risk to thing, and we're gonna buy at the market, or should we go with the limit? Still going up, market. Okay, I want it to go up because I'm going from prices down. All right, 70,000, are you gonna give me a little bit of red? Okay, no, it's, what time is it? It's 3:20. I want the price just to jump up a bit. Okay, there we go. There's the green. Now let's go. Okay, there we go. All right, so as soon as you get, the broker's going to take their fees, so you can see. All right, 70,000. We're going to take this profit a little bit on this side below in here. And the highest peak today was over here. We're going to raise this thing a bit more, just in case. Okay. And this is, look at this, $10.50 on 70,000, right there. All right. So that trade is good to cancel. I'm not placing any, well, stop loss is up there. Take profit in here. Look at that. It's going our way. Anyways, let's go back to the Bitcoin. So what's happening in Bitcoin? Bitcoin's going up in here. Ooh, this might hit our LPE. This might hit our LPE. Look at this, 37 minus 40. Our LPE is where? Liquid protection entry system, 60.87. Okay, 60.87. Let's go down here, 60.87. Maybe I'm going to draw a line in here so I can see this thing. 60.87. And I usually like that so I know how close do we come. make it thicker. 6087 or 6087. 60. Okay, we're getting pretty close in here. 608788. 6087. Okay, that's good enough. Anyways, we're pretty close to that. I like to be always exact. 6087.8. Sometimes hitting that number. Okay, we're gonna leave it at that. Anyway, so we came. See that downtrend line? Let's go in the bigger picture. All right, let's draw in here too, so we know where we're dealing with. Is it gonna hit us, or are we gonna get our liquidation protection hit? 6087. And look at that. It is pretty close. And I hope it does hit, because I want to show you how this thing works. When it hit, then we place another one. But, well, I don't think it's going to. Okay, that's this. I told you this when we got over here. Be nice to get in here, but you never know. And there we go. Now we have downtrending. So this is where, but it's still not finished. Okay. All right. So let's keep an eye on it. It's still going. There's that little wick. There's another wick over here. 2, 4, 5. All right. That's, yeah, the market should start reversing right now, because we are in a downtrend, in a big downtrend. People, contracts get liquidated. Look how old it is. This just got bigger. These are the people losing money, because they're liquidating. And what most of the times happens, in fact, well, look at that. Because people think, well, it's going up. No, we got to go for long. Wrong. This is what happens when people think like that. All right, when they think this is on 1 minute chart, the play, again, green against red. You can see green over here. So what this showed you, it shows you that, you know, red is winning because it's going down. We're going with the red for shorts. All right, so there we go. There we go. Right, on 1 minute, on 60 hour, okay, and this is hiking the sheet too. So on 1 hour chart, we still got that. So it's still, when that turns green, then we're going to be thinking different. So what's happening in here? It's getting closer to our target in here, to our entry target. And guys, remember, you know, this is our entry target in here. Okay, positions. We're minus 19.7. Okay, look at see how this profits go up and down. All right, and we were pretty well what, minus 30 or something like that. We're gonna put this straight into profit. I will show you that, and this will happen. All right. So what else? You know, sometimes you can have a profit in 2 or 3 minutes. You'll have 40, 50%, 25%, and whatever. Well, this one, it's taking a little bit longer. So let's take a look. How is our U.S. Oh, look at that, $42. And we can cash this out right now if we want to, but now I'm going. I want my profit somewhere in here. This is USD Canadian dollar. This is live trading. This is real accounts, real money, no demo in here. All right? Okay, so we're just going to leave that. It's going to go up and down. Over here, we got same thing. It's going up and down. It's going crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you something. We're going to leave this. Kangot, all right? As you know, all right, Kangot, Kangot is, it's the new thing, the biggest thing out there. I'm going to log into my members area, and then you can see this members area. And basically in here, what you see, it's in Spanish. All right, just checking up on here. Put 7. All right, okay. And this is my, my active sponsor. Highly successful business guy. But all I'm gonna tell you, Soft Trade AI, don't invest any more money in there. Look at that, no payouts until March 25th. And they're still asking to buy bonuses and whatever. What kind of horse manure is that? You know, I can't believe it. But I told you a couple of weeks, quit. Why is Ryan pushing that STI? But anyways, we'll leave that. Do not invest money in there. We'll see what happens after 25. Just like I told you, we'll see what happens at the end of March, because all those big contracts in in soft trade AI would expire, and you know, companies having issues, and he's still asking for more money. Come on, give me a break. You don't ask for money when companies in trouble. Well, you do, but not from people, because you know, either they're gonna just go under and that's it. Look at that, minus 39%. But Kangot. This, if you watched my news and the videos in there, this what the big shots, and I'm talking big shots, predict is going to be better, more profitable. And it is more profitable because withdrawal fees are a lot less. The team is, you know, compensation plan is totally different. There's many videos already, and like I showed you in the news. Okay, where's my DailyNetPay? Okay, what was updates, DNP updates? Where are you? Some of these updates in here. Okay, this is where I store them. Okay, USA Passive, fast payouts, new huge. Okay, this was yesterday. All right, okay, this is what I'm doing right now. Actually, I'm using this, you know, highly leveraged Bitcoin trading with liquidation protection entry system. How is that thing? Oh, man, it's going back up 49%. My goodness. I think this is, we're going to get hit over here. So this is going to turning into a bigger, longer trade than, you know, 5 to 10 minutes or, you know, 2 to 3 minutes. But anyways, that's good. You know, I'll keep on yapping, showing the things. And where was I in here? All right, so Americans, no cash FX for you. Here's your answer. Watch this YouTube. Watch this YouTube. You know, this is just Kangot launching March 23rd. Huge, huge. They're in Houston, Texas, I believe. Right? So, another thing, link to join under in here. You know, I am under a very huge sponsor. You're going to join under my link. Know what's going to happen? The spillover is huge. All right. So that's all I can tell you. I can tell you right now. Okay, Mike Freedom. All I've got is a $100 plan. I'm waiting for a Bitcoin from my what do you call it? Oh, it's dropping again, okay? So I'm going to go back and forth in the trade. This is, you know, high leverage Bitcoin trading, but at the same time, I'm talking about Kango. Okay, progress, 200%, basically double. You know, free Bitcoin, double your Bitcoin and get a free vacation, because this is traveling business, okay? The owner is in the travel business, but actually, Kangot is trading forex. So, you know, there's more. I started out with $100. I'm going to put next package in here. You can actually upgrade. I'm going to put $1,000. And this is new. This is huge, huge. It's going to be huge. SDI, I was excited, but SDI, you know, Ryan is kind of like, I believe he is not. I told you that right at the beginning. Be careful, you know, don't go crazy. Take the money. I doubled my money in there, you know. Mary GK also doubled the money in here. I got 22,400 points already. All right. So I'm not even sure how all this works. Total members, I got 189 in here. And ladies and gentlemen, these are paid members, okay? Because you don't get into your website, into your members area unless you became a paid member. All right, so that's where you get your referral link anyways. But I'm just going to tell you, you know, the only thing, I kind of screw up your left members and right members. Got 157 members on the left side, right members 32. So this is all spillover for you guys. Anybody who joins under me becomes a paid member is a spillover. Like, I'm not too crazy about these things. You know, Cash FX is good, excellent. It's probably the best one. But what this guy is saying in here. Let's check what's happening in here. Oh, it's back up there. It's a hard trade today. Man, did I pick a good one to make a video, right? All right, so maybe you're going to learn the real trading on 1 minute chart in the playing field with 1 minute chart and what's happening in here. All right, this is still good in here. All right, the liquidation still happening. People are losing money. How's 1 hour? Okay, the prices go up. Ooh, okay, so it's hovering in there. How is our other trade? Multitasking. Now, see, now we're in minus. It went back up. But we are hitting the top resistance, and I believe, this is the market's going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, but eventually it's going to go down here. This morning we pulled up over $800 from USD Canadian dollar. All right, so we did a nice trade, nice trade. See this thing in here? I got in here, sold it up here. And as soon as it went up there, we went down. And I exited over here, got stopped out. So now it's at the bottom. The Canadian dollar goes up and down, up and down. Now we're getting back into the profits, okay? So this is what's happening in here. Let's go back into the Bitcoin, see what's happening. That's what multi. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we just hit our target. Not target, but liquidation protection entry. So now, see what we have minus 28. See this? Our entry, original entry, just moved up, got closer to this. And next cut loss is 61.65.18. So I gotta place a second liquidation protection, because I don't want to lose all this money right now in there that I got. And you can see this leverage. It went to what? 38x. So that cut in half. I got to make sure we have 1x, and we're 61.65. I'm going for prices down. So I got to go 61.55. All right, so we go 61.55.18. 61.65 minus 10 is 65 or 61.50. Sometimes I screw up these things, and happen to me. I still didn't lose the trade though. Anyway, so let's go. We're gonna buy down protection, and basically what we're gonna be doing, cutting this thing down again, and will bring us closer to our entry point. But anyways, it's going down. Anyways, so let's do the protection, because I'm yapping. I'm going to be showing you all kinds of stuff. So anyways, so let's do this protection. We have protection. See the second one? Okay, there we go. 61.55 and 61.65. You got to go about 10 pips or $10 in Bitcoin, $10 when you're going for prices down. Because 61.65, it's above. So once it hits 61.65, it's too late. So we got to go 61.55. Comes before 65, right? So we want to be protected that way. And so if this hits again, we're going to be doing the same thing. And basically, I don't think this is the final right now. This is the final thing. We did break that. What is our protection? This is what multitasking is all about. Do you see how busy this thing is? This is what, trading and explaining, making videos is all about. Okay, so you're having a good workout with John Kielec. Today, Thursday, March 12th, 3:36 p.m. Okay, let's go back in here. All right, we got the protection. What was I talking about? I'm going to put this LPE higher. Well, not higher, 61.55. So we just know, in case, 61.55. 61, oh, I think I'm going 61.55. You see how far up the price has got to go to hit, to stop us, it's like a stop loss, but it's not. It's the, cut loss, 61.55, that's right. 61.65, yeah. Yeah, wow, we have lots of leverage in here. 61.45. All right, 61.55. Okay, sometimes it's hard with the mouse. Okay, good enough. Anyways, we got the target. So, see, this is our entry. We get in here, anything down here is a profit. In here, this second LP gets hit, we do the same thing. And, it'll get cut in the half again. This leverage gets wider, closer to our entry point. But now when we get into profit, we're earning a lot more. All right, so this is how the system works. It's a system that you cannot fail. Well, eventually you can fail if you got to do this 10 times. You only have so much Bitcoin, then you're going to drain your account. But I've tested this, and it's usually I've been down to 3 times down. Then I pulled in. So because of the leverage, it gets wider and wider each time, and basically, it gives you that. Play to be in the game instead of what? Instead of getting liquidated. Look at this. This list just got bigger. People right now losing mega money. We're surviving. Okay, we are surviving the game. There we go. All right, so let's go back in here. Okay, position first. Open orders, that's that LPE. And that's why Bit7 is very nice to do this. All right, so where was I? Okay, where was I? I was talking about logged in here. Okay. All right, so anyways, 40% I got so far, $81.11. I don't even know how the matrix system works in there. But ladies and gentlemen, okay, the travel industry, you don't see this unless you become a paid member. Like, we just travel. Right now we're not traveling anywhere because the coronavirus is going. So, I look at all these links I got open. So, and I got 2 computers here. Mary GK is working on a thing. So, okay, there's the code, whatever. You cannot get that code because, okay, look at this. These are the points that I have. I use these points to get these vacations, all right? All exclusive vacations. Greece, okay? Atlanta, I've been there. United States. Atlantic City, United States, been there. Okay, Indonesia, I have not been there. Bangkok, I've never been there. I don't know. Somehow these countries that, Thailand and whatever, well, especially right now, how's this looking over here? Kind of don't interest us. We're kind of afraid because, I don't know, it's just coronavirus now. Barcelona, Spain, we've been there last year. Okay, Turkey, we have not been there. We're planning to go there. Philippines, not. I'd love to go there, maybe in the future. Have not been to Australia yet. Hungary, Budapest, we've been there. Argentina, we have not been. Cancun, Mexico, we've been there. South Africa, well, like to visit, but it's a big question mark. Colombia, that's another big question mark. Okay, New Zealand, Daytona Beach. Remember last year I was actually walking over here. Dubai, flew by. Okay, United States, been here. What else do they have? India, I have not been here. Australia, we have not been. Hawaii, USA, have not been there. This is Turkey again. Jerusalem, Thailand, Las Vegas. We just came back from that. Over here in Mexico, Mazatlan, been there. Okay, Colombia, we have not been there. Australia, we've not been there. Miami, well, that's practically, I live half a year there. Myrtle Beach, been there too. New Orleans, been there. Orlando, been there. Paris, have not been there. Phoenix, Arizona, we just came from there. Okay, Thailand, Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, been there. Dominican, been in here too. New Zealand, have not been here. Brazil, not been. Rome, Italy, have been there. San Antonio, been there. San Diego, been there. Sweden, no. Australia, no. Spain, have been there. Toronto, Canada, oh, hometown. We're close by. You know, that's what it looks like, the biggest CN Tower in the world. Been there so many times. Everybody comes to Canada. I take them there, or Niagara Falls. But this is something else. Like that CN Tower, where it stands, it's like, I don't know, it's almost 1 kilometer up in the air. And like, you know, the lake from that tower, it's quite a distance. But if this tower ever fell, it would be in the water. It's something else. When there's cloudy, you're actually above the clouds. Another thing, right across this lake, you can see Niagara Falls from Toronto. So Venice, Italy, been there. So you can see what's happening in here. And we're still, whoa, you know, it's a real slow today with this. But that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, I gotta move this red one, because what is our LPE? 61.55.18. 61.55.18. 65.55. Oh, I gotta scroll down a bit. This could be one of the longer trades. 61.55. All right, good enough. So at least we know which way we're heading. So this is our support, lower trend line. All right, so right now we got in this little jam over here, like a little box, and you know, the price is not much happening in here. So we're just basically, you know, we're stuck in between here. Okay. And so what's going to happen anyways. This is our entry in here. It's going down, and this is where we are aiming. Okay, I'm going to go back to our positions. Minus 11, minus 12. Okay, come on, get down here, give us some profits. All right, so let's go about this. But anyways, this is what you see: support, resources. They don't have like all kinds of marketing packages. I'm not really marketing. I'm sharing this information with you because this is so much. There's so much to be in here. Like it's in a pre-launch, March 23rd. That's where they're going to be launching. But the owner. You know, it's in Spanish. Basically, like, okay, I don't know what all this means, but you know what I do? I'm going to show you what I do. All right, copy. I have translated up here. I punched the text in, and look, let's see. All this, it tells me. I want to show you how my money automatically produces more money, and how, given me a holiday, you can also do it. Invite to see, connect this to this, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 7 p.m. Central Time, Tuesday, Wednesday, this and that. So I guess this is their meetings, and they do have meetings. So if in my video in here, details, okay, Roberto Gonzalez, Oscar, whatever, Cash Effects, and you know, there's, you can watch this video, like, oh no, this is video that to join, link to join, Americans, okay, details. Who has been in the travel industry many years, okay, all right, that's the one maybe. Okay, all right, that's the owner. See, the difference between Ryan and this guy, Ryan was more like an actor. Over here, this guy is something else. Watch his video, what he says, what kind of experience he's got. He's transparent, okay? 200 return instead of 300. It's in a pre-launch, okay? You want to know about the owner? This is the video that you want to talk, be about, okay? All right, there's a review about it. Right, you know, some of these people that associate, some are not. But anyways, you know, you have everything in here. So Daily profits, okay? They pay out every weekend, every Thursday or something like that. Let's check on our trades. How we're doing. -7%. How is our U.S. coin doing? All right, $57.40. Not enough. Peanuts, peanuts, peanuts. We want all the way down here where we're going to have like $630. That's our game. Okay, over here, look at this. We're going to be getting the profits. I told you. Second time around with LPE protection is there. We are rocking, rolling. Okay, Kenbot. Okay, withdraw available. This is what I got, 81. I just joined the other day or yesterday morning or something like that. You can request your payment on Monday to Tuesday. Oh, Monday and Tuesday, 21 hours. You will receive your request withdraw once approved on Thursday. Oh, so okay. So Monday to Tuesday it's a withdraw. Then it's approved after Thursday after 3 p.m. It gets into your thing. What else I can show you? Withdraw request, balances. What is balances? Okay, that's my balance. Profile, team building, packages. Oh yeah, this is another neat thing. All right, I am, what, $100. I'm waiting for that Bitcoin because I'm going to go boom. I need $200 to upgrade to 300. Okay, that's neat. I like that because you don't have to. Whatever you're current at, whatever level you are, then you're gonna upgrade to the next one. And the same thing. I want to get up to the 1,000. A friend of mine just did 25,000. Okay, he's nuts. Hey, but he's got lots of money. Anyways, like I say, Cash FX pulled out over 200,000 already. So he says he knows what he's doing. 99% he's correct. He says this STI he interviewed Ryan, and he told him don't screw him up. But you know, I gotta say Ryan is first time, second time you look at it, and it's just like. It's like acting, so I'm not sure there. But anyways, so this is the upgrade packages. What else? Balances, profile, team building packages. Okay, packages. I think I just click on that. What else is here? Passive historical. March Madness. What is that? Okay, first place. First place. All right, so that's dashboard. Let's go back to the dashboard. All right, so this, look at this, 197 members. Wow. Balances withdraw, passive historical. Oh, resources. No. You can see what they're earning balances. No, where was this? Come on, profile balances withdraw. Team building, team structure, unilevel holding, commissions. Okay, commissions. Okay, direct bonus, this. No, that's not it. I'm sharing lots of stuff, you know, personal members, packages, passive historical. Maybe that's what it is. There we go. Okay, let's check on our Bitcoin in here. Okay, my goodness, back to -23. It's going up and down. How's the look up here? Okay, still people getting liquidated. This thing is getting smaller. So once we get in a profit, 10 to 15% profit, we'll get it because it is getting a little bit on the smaller size. So lots of liquidations are happening. Okay, how's the 1 hour chart looking in here? See, this is getting a little bit bigger. So, you know, and this is like the channel. And yeah, see? It's the channel in here. Just the price is stuck in between here, between our entry point and that. But anyways, it's going back up there. We got lots of leverage for our LPE, and this is entry in here. So once again, -25. Okay. So, and okay, March 11th, 1.11%, March 10th, 1.07, 1. This 5th March. So you can see this is the daily earnings, Monday through Friday. They do trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. Okay? Basically, triple your Bitcoin, double your Bitcoin in here, and get a free vacation. That's all it is. And I'm actually going to make an ad like that. Post in social media, Twitter, Facebook, whatever. You know, double your Bitcoin and get a free vacation. What else can you get? But right now, vacations are on hold. Coronavirus. I don't know. I've got different opinions about that. And that's basically what this thing is all about. I wonder if I'm going to break 200 members today. 165. And yeah, on this, I don't know. I'm trying to keep this binary. I hate the binary, but they're supposed to be pretty good. They pay out, some kind of commissions. I don't even know how that works, to be honest. But team building, okay. Team structure, okay. Team structure. There's the referral link. This is my referral link, okay. Left team 24. I'm due for some kind of vacation already, all right. But, all right, 40, this. Okay, referrals position, left, right, balance. I had on balance, but somehow we end up more on the left, 165 to 32 on this side. So I'm going to keep more, let it go. I want to balance this out anyways. Okay, so this is Kangot. Let's get rid of that Kangot. All right, LPD system. I'm going to add more trades into this one. This is what I'm doing right now. Look at some of these, 16, what was the highest in here? 42, 42. I actually broke over 50, I think. We're going to have more in there. Okay, now it's going to drop. Come on, get your thing. Minus 17. And we want plus that. So we can take our profit and get out of here. But we are just playing this field in here. See, we are stuck in this channel type of thing. And we want to get here. We want to get to this. And it's going to get there. It's going to get there. How is our other trade doing? $123.90. Wow. This one's doing a lot better. But look at that, 70,000 we're trading with. All right, so should we take a profit? No, this is a taking a profit. Actually, when it gets to that red and then it gets a little bit below here, I am going to be thinking about if I get to this 20 EMA, well, because we just had a big pump and big dump. Then from here we went up, and then we're going back down. All right. Actually, it's going back up. I'm going to close this trade. All right. I don't care. Take profit. $116. It might go back up in there. We'll buy it again. We just made that. What time is it now? All right. That was like 30 minutes or something. 25, 28, 28, 9 minutes. $100 or something like that. Okay. And that was a small trade. Okay, one of their trades. Anyways, let's go back here. Oh, we still got that. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to tell you, okay, this is where you signed up. This is the news. Payment systems, okay? This is another thing I want to talk about, DNP. March 28th, that's it. STP is gone. I highly recommend what we're going to do the future DNP payment acceptance and payouts. Watch this video, okay? And it's in your DNP news. Bookmark that site. Go in there. There's some Bitcoin wallets recommended. Do not send Western Union. You can send me international money order, cashier checks payable to John Kielec. You got my address in there and the whole works. All right? But anyways, you got to do it. What's in here? I am checking into like NetTeller. There's a few other ones, global, which are acceptable in United States and Canada. I haven't used them yet, but see what happens. I'm going to be experimenting with them, and I will let you know. Okay, -5, -6. Okay, we're getting closer. Okay, we're getting closer to our entry target. Okay, it looks like this time 2 small candles. And power down. Power down is power down. But once again, okay, it's not totally. How's it looking in here? Still liquidation. Still liquidation. Let's go to a hike and she 6 hour. whoa, it's still down trending, but that trending is getting weaker, okay? As you can see, there was a little uptrend. This was, kind of, yeah, I would say I wouldn't trade in that zone. But in here, this is like 360 minutes of, ups and downs, ups and downs. So it's still down. So we're still looking pretty good. All right, so we're still looking pretty good. So I showed you DMP news. Go in there, check out other payments. Like I said, you have some stuff in here. Take your money out of our STP as soon as you can, because that is very important. Don't wait to the last minute. And what else? Okay, the owner, the Kangot and its owner, who's very, very successful business person. And once again, okay, it's the owner has a lot of experience, okay? Okay, we gotta skip this ad. All right, this is live. I don't know if you're gonna hear it or not. We're gonna skip this, but okay, no thanks. Get in here. Some of the companies that you see here. Okay, see, look at this video. October Kangot. Okay, Beta corporate headquarters. Oh my goodness! I got my alert. Bitcoin crossing. All right, what's happening? Bitcoin crossing. There, our target. All right, it hit our target. Did you hear my alert? Boom, 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 boom. The drums roll. I'm just having a fun day trading. See, trading should be fun and profitable, and this is why the high. I still got to get to this news. Where are we? In here. Yeah, high leverage Bitcoin trading with protection liquidation entry system. It's got to be fun. There we go. Look at this. 4, 7. All right, I told you. Okay, we're gonna forget about that. Let's concentrate on this thing. See, sometimes we'll get in here. When I get in here, it's minutes. Okay, so there we go. 9 points. Like I say, 10 to 15 points. Then we take our profits. And look at that. We were what? In minus. Lots in minus. And it's just amazing. Okay, but that's still not enough. I want a little bit more. Gonna check in here. Liquidation, more liquidations, getting liquidation. As long as the liquidation we're gonna earn, because people are going against this trend, and I'm going with the trend. All right, so okay, it's jumped back up. That's the way it is. But you can see 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, I hear you. All right. It goes for about 5 seconds. Give me a warning because we're in profit. Okay, so sometimes I have a coffee and whatever, I'm away. All of a sudden, when I hear this, I run to the computer. There we go. We're ready to sell. We are in the profits. Okay, is it going to go down more? 17, 16. I think it's still got more. Oh, there's the green one. All right, no. Okay, that's just a temporary green one. Okay, so there's the red one. Okay, we had enough of this trade, I think. Okay, 12%. As long as it gets over 15%, I like to get close to 20%. But we'll see what happens in here. It should go down a bit more. 12, come on. I think, just waiting. No, there's the green one. So it might go back up. It's like I said, this is the playing. It goes back up and down. We should have took down when we were at 15%. But it'll be back down there again. All right, but look at it. We came pretty close to our line. Pretty close. So I think if it turns around, it comes back down in here, maybe next time, and it's going down again. Okay, so look at that drop. How's it looking over here? Liquidation still happening? Yes, liquidation still happening. How is 1 hour chart liquidate? Okay, more liquidations are happening. Lots. Okay, so BTC, this is my warning, it's crossing. See, this is changing to down, so the downtrend is strong. Downtrend is very strong. very strong. But on 1 minute chart, it looks a little bit different. That's how it looks like. And okay, so there we go. There we go. Around again. And we're going to sell the market. Once we get to about 15%, I'm going to sell it. And I like to, close that in here, 402. All right, so we've been here for a while. But I'm going to show you. Even out with so much in minus, we did what? Okay, look at that. 16, sell the market. 17, 18%, we sold the market at 18%. All right. Market was confirmed at 17.71%. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what you call high leverage Bitcoin trading without losing. You've seen. Now, I got to cancel our LPE. Got to cancel that, okay? And we have more money in our Bitcoin wallet than we had before. And that's what counts. That's what matters. So, there you go. You got the Thursday afternoon on March 12, 403. We've been in here, well, almost an hour. You've seen a real live trade. How's everything? I showed you everything. And you take it from here what you want to do. All right? I'm going to maybe put more trades in here. Today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. I'm still waiting from FX Choice to send me about 1 Bitcoin so I can finish rest of the payouts. I have a list of members who want Bitcoin. So the list is getting longer, but like I say, you gotta, another thing, there are ATM bank machines. And I used one. The fees are not bad. They're a little higher than, brokers and whatever. But if you want fast Bitcoin, well, all you have to do is, I'm going to show you other bookmarks. I think I got somewhere in here. Anyways, I don't know where that is, but if you punch in ATM Bitcoin machines around your local area, they'll give you. Watch a couple videos how they do it. It's simple. You can have fast Bitcoin. The only thing, you will need a Bitcoin account. And I'm going to tell you one thing, okay? One thing for sure, if you want a Bitcoin account, it's in our DNP News. No, it's in our other payments. Get coin payments. Do not use Coinbase. If you're dealing with network marketing like CashFX or or whatever, it's not for network marketers. They're gonna close your account. They won't steal your money. They'll tell you to. It happened to me twice with Coinbase. Coinpayments.net is the best one, and I highly recommend. Okay, and all right, see, we got out right on time because it's going back up, came pretty close to our line, and I am going to have a cup of tea, herbal tea. All right, and, this is it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video was kind of educational for you. You know what's happening, how this is done. I showed you live trades. And what's happening with our thing. Okay, see, I'm glad I sold it. I'm glad I sold USD Canadian. And I am actually, I'm going to wait. It's back up there. All right, it's a strong upward trend. 20 moving average. Oh, it's green. It's green. You know what I'm going to do? I'm gonna place a limit order. I'm gonna place a limit order for 80,000 US Canadian. All right, and we're gonna play 60 pips profit. And we're gonna okay, what is it at 38,800, 38,143. I'm gonna place. Is it gonna go? This is the 139. It's still going up. I'm going to place 38. What's 38? I'm going to be thinking 38.8. 38.8? Well, let's try that. No, this is not 38,800. You know what? I'm not going to go. Oh, because I'm not on the limit. I'm going to buy at the market. It's going down, okay? We're 80,000, okay? It was, give me a green. Give me a little hitch up. I always like to, because the broker don't take their fee right away, so I want this thing to jump. When I see this thing change color, this is where I enter, okay? Market, 80,000. Price. Okay. All right, so take profit, okay, 60. This is where I muffed up. 60, okay, because, you know, sometimes multitasking, sometimes you got to be careful. Okay, market this, submit, 80,000, okay, it's getting up there. Another little tiny thing up. As soon as this color changes, I am gonna, there we go. All right, we just got in. All right, so there we go. We're starting off with minus 20. You know, we're always going to start off negative because that's the broker fee, just for entry. We're going to move this bit up. Take profit. Okay, we're going to keep take profit or somewhere around here. So, this BitCoin is. All right, so anyways. Okay, so anyways, now it's just the playing field, okay? I have my stop loss, I have my take profit, come back in half an hour, see what happens. And like I say, I showed you what kind of money we have made before, and look at that, we're going to be soon in profit again. So, but this time I'm going to take a bigger profit because I know this is 1, 2, 3. Look at those wicks. This wick, this is when, this is the top resistance over here, strong trend up. That has got to hit somewhere over here. And sooner or later, it might go like this. It's going to hit the bottom support somewhere over here, which is going to be, that's going to be like, you know, $1,200 profit. But I don't know if I want to wait 2, 3 days. We'll get, you know, $200, $300 in here, take it, go for prices up, then, you know, take a couple, $200, $300 and take it down. And it's the playing field up and down. Okay, so that trade is open. And I'm going to show you, all right? And look at that. Yeah. It's afternoon. It's what? 4:10. This is why the market, Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin, middle of the night, like from 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock, 5, 8 o'clock in the morning. That's where the action is. Okay, look at that. Look at this. I missed it. I woke up because I sat up till 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning watching some movies. After I went to bed, I knew the market was going to dump. It was going to go down. Look at what happened. Some of my colleagues, some of my other traders associate, they said, yeah, this was today, you know, I got up, was after, was close to 8. Look at this. This was happening at around 6 o'clock. And they said it's going to be dumping. Over here, it's like 400% profit. All right? I know 3 people who got this. And they told me, watch. But I was sleeping. But anyways, didn't have my alarm clock. You know, that you heard beep, beep. But anyways, this is what high leverage trading is all about. I love it. I love it. Because, you know, next thing, I can make big money in here. The private trade shares in DailyNetPay as of April, they're going to be maturing a lot faster. And what's going to be happening, you know, I love this because, you know, high leverage trading, you got to know what you're doing. I can cash out, go to ATM machine, pull Bitcoin ATM machine, pull my money out, go have some fun. And I hope you enjoyed this once again. I'm shutting this thing down. Had enough in here. I showed you how my, you know, 2-3 hours a day. And, you know, plus Mary GK processes the orders and, you know, for DailyNetPay and this like that. But this is what I do. This is my work, okay? Multitasking at the same time. God bless. Until next time.